Good day, healthy people. Sino na miss nyo? This is your cook, Wilbert Fish. Muli nagbabalik. And welcome to our quarantine cooking series and episodes of cooking tutorials where we teach you dishes na pwede maka-help sa family mo to look better, feel better, and live longer. Today, may naka-prepare kaming dish para sa inyo. Gagawa tayo ng malunggay creamy pasta. At for beverage, gagawa tayo ng cucumber lemonade. Okay, you guys ready? Let's go! Let's get started. Unahin natin yung ating pasta dish. But before yon, ito muna yung mga ingredients natin. Gagamit tayo rito ng pasta, ng lemon, malunggay, garlic, onion, salt, chicken, cream, olive oil. Now, gawin muna natin yung ating malunggay puree. Yung way ng paggawa nito is para tayong gumagawa ng ating pesto. Okay? But instead na gagamit natin is basil leaves, gagamit tayo ngayon ng malunggay. Alright? So, let's do this. Now we have our malunggay puree na may kasamang garlic, olive oil, salt, and lemon. Okay? So, gawin na natin yung ating mismong dish. I have here ay may salad master 2-quart saucepan. Then preheat ko na yan. Now we're gonna do is I have here my chicken. Okay, lagay natin ngayon. Dating gawin. Kalat lang ng ating chicken. Okay, takpan. And iset lang siya sa medium low o medium fire. Kaya natin mag-brown. Kapag nag-brown na siya, pwede natin siya saute kasama ng ating onion and garlic. So balikan natin yan after few minutes. Now let's check na yung ating chicken kung nag-brown na. Yun. Tama-tama. Sumasagikit na. Ibig sabihin, lobas yung sariling pan. Again, reminders, pag nagluluto kayo ng chicken, pag mas may color, mas may flavor. Wala lang ng konting piece ng mga chicken para for ating garnish later. Sunod ko na yung ating onion and garlic. Now, nag-sweat na yung ating onion tsaka garlic. Pwede natin isunod yung ating puree. Lagay lang natin. Very good amount ng ating puree. Halo natin sa chicken. Season natin ng salt. Maglalagay ako ng konting pasta water, okay, para madilute ko lang ng konti yung ating mixture. Pasta water, gusto ko rin na binoil yung pasta natin. Ngayon, lagyan natin yung cream natin. Natin mabuti. Look at that. Dapat mag-incorporate yung color, okay, from your puree at doon sa ating cream. Check muna natin kung okay na ba yung lasa niya. Tama na yung alat, lagay natin yung ating pasta. Okay, so I have here yung ating linguine. Okay, pinakuluan ko na kanina yan with the water and konting olive oil tsaka salt. At ngayon, luto siya for al dente. Okay, tingnan. Saktong-sakto yung pagkakaluto. Lagay natin sa ating cream. Patayin ko na. Para hindi naman na masyado mag-dry. Okay. And let that pasta absorb, okay, yung goodness from your sauce. Now, hayaan mo natin siya dyan. And later, i-plate na natin yan. Okay. Allow me to clean up lang ng konti nito. And then, gagawan ko kayo ng masarap na cucumber lemonade. Alright? Alright. Now, gagawan ko na kayo ng ating cucumber lemonade. Okay. So, I have here my tall glass. Lalagay lang ako ng konting lemon slices and cucumber slices. And kanina, okay, nagpakulo ako ng simple syrup. Ang simple syrup is 1 part water, 1 part sugar. So gumamit ako ng 1 cup of water, 1 cup of sugar din yung nilagay ko. Okay? So lagay natin yung ating syrup, about 3 tablespoons. Pansin niyo yung syrup ko, no? Very clear pa rin. Ang gonna do now is medyo i-press ko ng konti. Okay, yung ating mga pang-flavor doon sa ilalim. Now let's put our lemon squeezed, and yung ice natin. Finish natin, okay, ng ating lemon water. And there you have it, our cucumber lemonade. Now let's plate naman yung ating pasta. Alright, so I have here my plain na plato. Walang tayo ng ating pasta. Paikutin natin ng konti. No, tap lang ng ating brown na chicken kanina. Lagyan natin ng konting grated cheese. Finish it. Okay. Lagay tayo ng toast. Alright. Para mas maganda pa, lagyan ng konting young na malunggay. So there you have it. Our malunggay cream pasta. And there you have it. Our malunggay cream pasta, and for our beverage, yung ating cucumber lemon lemonade. Okay, so tikman na natin siya. What I love with this dish is gumamit tayo ng malunggay, and malunggay really marami ang vitamin C. Okay, plus it also promotes antioxidants sa katawan natin. So mas nakakalaban tayo, okay, sa mga maraming klase ng diseases. So, tikman natin siya. Okay. Pasta. Oh. Pasta. I'll get a bit of chicken. Of course, perfect bite. Okay. Sabi, if you love malunggay, lasang-lasa mo yung flavor ng malunggay dun sa mismong cream. Okay? Nadala rin siya nung chicken. Perfect. I think if you want to use shrimp, okay, o kung ano pa mga ibang klase ng seafood, okay, you can also ilagay dito sa mga ganitong klase ng dish. Okay? So, perfect. Natin natin po. Alright. Now, yung ating beverage, yung ating cucumber lemonade. Tikman natin. Wow. It really give a refreshing feeling, no, pag umiinom ka ng ganito, kasi merong accent ng cucumber, may acidity from the lemon, and tamang-tama yung dalang sweetness ng ating simple syrup. Malamig, presko, healthy. So, there you have it, yung ating mga dish ngayon, and I hope nag-enjoy kayo at marami kayo natutunan sa episode natin ngayon. Pwede nyo gawin itong mga ganitong klase ng dish for your merienda, at matutuwa yung family ninyo kay pagkasama-sama kayo kumakain at healthy yung kinakain ninyo. That ends our episode for today. Thank you for watching, and sana makasama namin kayo sa mga susunod pa natin na mga uploads. Before ako magpaalam, I want to thank Titanium Lining Corp for sponsoring yung ating cooking show sa araw na to. Titanium Lining Corp is an official dealer of Salad Master Cookwares here in the Philippines. To know more about our company, please check our page. And for additional recipes and inquiries, please contact me. Again, thank you so much. And a gentle reminder para sa bawat isa, please stay safe, stay healthy, stay happy. At lagi namin sinasabi with Salad Master, we change lives. Peace! Check it out!